Hello guys, my name is John Kenneth Morales from BS Cream 1-2 and this is my output in Mathematics in the Modern World. Number 1. A worm is at the bottom of a glass that is 20 cm deep. Each day, the worm crawls up 3 cm and each night it slides back 1 cm. A. How long it takes the worm to climb out of the glass? B. What is the most appropriate strategy to use to solve the problem? The question is, how long it takes the worm to climb out of the glass? Each day, the worm crawls up 3 cm and subtract 1 cm. Each night, it slides back. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 4. 4 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 6. 6 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 8. 8 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 10. 10 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 12. 12 plus 3 minus 1 equals to 14. 14 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 16. 16 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 18. 18 plus 3. The total is 9.5 days because in subtracting each day the total days of 18 cm is 9 days. It crawls up again by 3 cm, then it means the worm's out the last 3 cm, and the equivalent of this is half a day, so that the total days is 9.5 days. The second question is, what is the most appropriate strategy to use to solve the problem? The strategy, by adding and subtracting each day of the worm crawls up and each night it slides back. Number 2. In a television game show, there are the questions to answer. Each question is worth twice as much as the previous question. If the last question is worth 120,000 pesos, what is the first question's worth? Let x be the original value of first question, so start with x and then double the value of each next question. Second is equals to 2x. Third is equals to 2 times 2x is equals to 4x. Fourth, 2 times 4x is equals to 8x. Fifth, 2 times 8x is equals to 16x. By getting the first question, we must solve for 16x is equals to 120,000. So we need to divide both sides by 16. So cancel the 16. And x is equals to 120,000 divided by 16 is equals to 7,500. Therefore, the first question worth is 7,500. Number 3. It is now between 9 and 10 o'clock. In 4 minutes, the hour hand of the clock will be directly opposite the position occupied by the minute hand 3 minutes ago. What time is it now? The value of x is x all over 2 degrees. The position occupied the minute hand 3 minutes ago is therefore 6x minus 18 degrees from the 12-hour mark. The hour hand will be at 270 plus x divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 degrees. After 4 minutes, we can say that 270 plus x divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6x minus 18 is equals to 180 or x is equals to 20. Hence, the current time is 9:20. Number 4. Jason and Cindy traveled from Isabela to Manila at an average rate of 65 kilometers per hour for 4.5 hours. On the way home, they traveled at an average rate of 45 kilometers per hour. How many hours did they travel for the entire trip? So the formula is D is equals to RT, or distance is equals to rate times time. Distance is equals to 65 times 4.5. So that distance equals to 292.5. 292.5 is equals to 4.5. So that the time is 6.5 hours. 4.5 hours is yung papunta. Then 6.5 hours is yung pabalik. So 4.5 plus 6.5 hours is equals to 11 hours. And then the hours did they traveled for the entire trip is 11 hours. Number 5. There are 25 students in my class. They have to take a ride or walk to school every day during school days. If there are 13 students who ride the jeepney, 4 students who ride the tricycle, and 5 students who ride both jeepney and tricycle, how many students walk to school every day? In getting the answer, you must need to draw a Venn diagram. This one represents the student who ride jeepney. This one represents the student who ride tricycle. And this one represents the student who ride both jeepney and tricycle. And this one represents the student who walk. The solution. To get this, you need to subtract 13 minus 5. To get this, you need to subtract 5 minus 4. And the solution for this is 8 plus 5 plus 1 minus 25 is equals to 11. And that are the students who walk to school every day. Number 6. Trisha, Ryan, Kenneth, and Ashley were recently elected as the new class officers, which is President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer of the entry freshman class at ABC University. Use the following clues to determine which position each student holds. The President is Kenneth, Vice President Ashley, Secretary naman si Ryan, then Treasurer si Trisha. Why? These are the clue. Clue number 1, pinag-combine ko yung letter B at letter C. Kasi dito sabi, Trisha and the Secretary. Sa letter C naman, Kenneth and the Secretary. So, ang natitira na lang na pwedeng maging Secretary is si Ashley or si Ryan. So, mag-save tayo doon, Ryan and Ashley. Papasok tayo sa clue number 2, letter B. Sabi, Trisha and the Secretary are the youngest member of the group. Member of the group, youngest. Pasok tayo agad sa clue number 3, letter A. Sabi, Ashley is younger than the president but older than the treasurer. So, si Ashley older than the treasurer. So, masasabi natin hindi si Ashley, hindi pinakabata si Ashley. So, ang masasabi ko ng secretary is yung pinagpipilian kanina between Ashley and Ryan. So, ang youngest kanina si Ryan. Ang youngest ngayon, ang tinutukoy na dito, Trisha and Ryan are the youngest member of the group. So, secretary is si Ryan. Then, clue number 4, letter A. Trisha is the treasurer. Trisha is the treasurer. Why? Kasi nga, older than the treasurer. So, it means itong treasurer na to, siya rin yung isang pinakabata, which is Trisha. So, treasurer natin, si Trisha. Then, pasok tayo sa number 5, common sense. Number 5, common sense. Very common sense na yan. Kasi, Ashley is younger than the president. Ang naiiwan na lang dito ngayon, president and vice president. So, dito pa lang sa clue na to, sa letter A, very common sense na yan. Ashley is younger than the president. Younger than the president. So, it means hindi na si Ashley ang tinutukoy na president dyan. Ang natitira na lang si Ashley at si Kenneth. So, si Kenneth ang president at si Ashley ang Vice President. Number 7. A survey shows the monthly budget in pesos. Spent food and bills payment by each of 16 different households. Ang ginamit ko dito is ungrouped data. Ang una kong ginawa is inayos ko ito lowest to highest payments or score para mas maging mas madali. Ang pagkuha ng mean ay total score divided by the total number. The total score is 228,800 and the total number is 16. You divide it, so 14,300. And this is the mean. To find median, hanapin lang natin yung gitna nito. And this is the median or gitna. 14,300. Para dalawa ang gitna natin, 14,300 and 14,300. So ang gagamitin natin, i-add natin 14,300 and 14,300, then divide it into 2. So ang lumabas is 14,300. The last is mode. Ang mode, pinakamaraming magkakaparehong score or payments. Subalit, may dalawang payments or score ang magkaparehas, kaya sa makatuwid, walang mode. Number 8. Marlon has a mean score of 82 in statistic quizzes. Another 100 items quiz will be given tomorrow. What should be Marlon's score so that his mean score in the 5 quizzes will be 85? Ang ginamit ko dito para makuha ang mean score ni Marlon sa 5 quizzes na may kabuuang 85 ay substitution. So ito yon. 4 is equals to 82 plus x all over 5 is equals to 85. This is the substitution. 4 times 82 plus x is equals to 5 times 85. Another substitution is 5 times 85 minus 4 times 82. So, yun. 5 times 85 is equals to 425. 4 times 82 is equals to 328. So, 425 minus 328 is equals to 97. Ito ang kailangan ni Marlon na score para ang mean score niya sa 5 quizzes ay 85.